Hello, welcome. Today we will get to know 50 important GK. So let's start it without any further delay. Question 1. Matanjini Hazra, who was seen in the news, was a woman freedom fighter from which state? Options: A. Assam, B. West Bengal, C. Karnataka, D. Odisha. Correct answer: B. West Bengal. Question 2. India's first common testing center for unmanned aerial systems is set to be established in which state or union territory? Options: A. Tamil Nadu, B. Maharashtra, C. Rajasthan, D. Punjab. Correct answer: A. Tamil Nadu. Question 3. The East Coast Railway is set to install intrusion detection systems in which state? Options: A. West Bengal, B. Odisha, C. Telangana, D. Madhya Pradesh. Correct answer: B. Odisha. Question 4. India and which bloc reached an agreement to review their free trade pact for goods by 2025? Options: A. SAARC, B. BIMSTEC, C. ASEAN, D. G20. Correct answer: C. ASEAN. Question 5. GB's pandemic fund granted $25 million to which country's animal husbandry and dairying department? Options: A. Indonesia, B. India, C. Sri Lanka, D. Bangladesh. Correct answer: B. India. Question 6. The Embassy of India in which country has launched a mobile application, eOIB Connect, to ease consular access? Options: A. Singapore, B. UK, C. Canada, D. Bahrain. Correct answer: D. Bahrain. Question 7. Which city hosted the recent meeting of the Western Zonal Council? Options: A. Mumbai, B. Gandhinagar, C. Jodhpur, D. Amritsar. Correct answer: B. Gandhinagar. Question 8. Who is the first woman to head the Railway Board of India? Options: A. Jaya Verma Sinha, B. Soma Mandal, C. Madhabi Puri Bak, D. Rekha Sharma. Correct answer: A. Jaya Verma Sinha. Question 9. Which state has proposed GPS-enabled ankle monitoring for industrial prisoners? Options: A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Odisha, C. Telangana, D. Jharkhand. Correct answer: B. Odisha. Question 10. Where is the Culture Corridor G20 Digital Museum located? Options: A. New Delhi, B. Mumbai, C. Hyderabad, D. Varanasi. Correct answer: A. New Delhi. Question 11. The cabinet granted approval for allocation of 1164 crore rupee for the Industrial Development Scheme 2017 in which states? Options: A. Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand, B. Punjab and Rajasthan, C. Kerala and Tamil Nadu, D. West Bengal and Odisha. Correct answer: A. Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand. Question 12. India has imported date palm tree from which country as part of a sapling planting event under the G20 summit? Options: A. Saudi Arabia, B. UAE, C. Oman, D. Bahrain. Correct answer: A. Saudi Arabia. Question 13. India has decided to settle the WTO poultry dispute with which country? Options: A. Japan, B. USA, C. China, D. Pakistan. Correct answer: B. USA. Question 14. Which department launched the recognition scheme for ISPs promoting rural FTTH broadband? Options: A. Department of Telecommunications, B. Department of Post, C. Department of Electronics, D. Department of Expenditure. Correct answer: A. Department of Telecommunications. Question 15. Araku coffee, which was one of the gifts presented to leaders at the G20 summit, is from which state? Options: A. Kerala, B. Andhra Pradesh, C. Assam, D. West Bengal. Correct answer: B. Andhra Pradesh. Question 16. Which North Indian state has unveiled its new state education policy, 2023? Options: A. Uttarakhand, B. Assam, C. West Bengal, D. Uttar Pradesh. Correct answer: C. West Bengal. Question 17. As per a recent API survey, what percentage of adults have taken at least one adult vaccine? Options: A. 6%, B. 16%, C. 26%. D. 36%. Correct answer B. 16%. Question 18. Which state government has launched a taxi app allowing people to book cabs conveniently for travel? Options: A. Kerala. B. Goa. C. Orissa. D. West Bengal. Correct answer B. Goa. Question 19. Which institution established over 6,000 standard clubs for students across the nation? Options: A. NITI Aayog. B. Bureau of Indian Standards. C. NASSCOM. D. Atal Tinkering Labs. Correct answer B. Bureau of Indian Standards. Question 20. The 1998 P. V. Narasimha Rao case, which was seen in the news, is related to. Options: A. Immunity to MPS MLAs against bribery. B. Making official language as Hindi. C. Imposition of emergency in India. D. Center-state relations. Correct answer A. Immunity to MPS MLAs against bribery. Question 21. The Central Institute for Research on Goats is located in which state or union territory? Options: A. Jammu and Kashmir. B. Uttar Pradesh. C. Himachal Pradesh. D. Sikkim. Correct answer B. Uttar Pradesh. Question 22. The Global Health Innovation Fellowship, recently launched in India, is supported by. Options: A. WHO. B. WIPO. C. UNICEF. D. World Bank. Correct answer B. WIPO. Question 23. Which organization launched the Sagar Maitri initiative? Options: A. ISRO. B. DRDO. C. Indian Navy. D. Indian Coast Guard. Correct answer B. DRDO. Question 24. Union Health Minister Mansukh Mandaviya inaugurated NIMSR, the first medical college of which state? Options: A. Manipur. B. Nagaland. C. Meghalaya. D. Assam. Correct answer B. Nagaland. Question 25. Which institution launched the Eat Right Creativity Challenge for millets? Options: A. FCI. B. NABARD. C. FSSAI. D. FICCI. Correct answer C. FSSAI. Question 26. APAR, account registry, which was seen in the news, is associated with which field? Options: A. Capital market. B. Automobile. C. Cryptocurrency. D. Academics. Answer D. Academics. Question 27. Which state UT launched its Krishi Roadmap 2023-2028? Options: A. Gujarat. B. Punjab. C. Bihar. D. Uttar Pradesh. Answer C. Bihar. Question 28. Which blocks panel on MDBS suggests shift from project-based approach to country platforms? Options: A. ASEAN. B. SAARC. C. G20. D. G7. Answer C. GBs. Question 29. Which state is the host of the 54th International Film Festival of India IFFI in 2023? Options: A. Uttarakhand. B. Assam. C. Goa. D. Maharashtra. Answer C. Goa. Question 30. Block proving biaxial counter BPAC system is associated with which institution? Options: A. Indian Army. B. Indian Railways. C. Election Commission of India. D. Indian Air Force. Answer B. Indian Railways. Question 31. Who was appointed as the director of the Special Protection Group SPG? Options: A. Alok Sharma. B. Pankaj Singh. C. R. Hari Kumar. D. Manoj Pandey. Answer A. Alok Sharma. Question 32. Which state has banned labeling halal on eatables? Options: A. Gujarat. B. Uttar Pradesh. C. Jharkhand. D. Goa. Answer B. Uttar Pradesh. Question 33. Which waterway is declared as National Waterway 1? Options: A. Ganga Bhagirathi Hooghly River. B. Brahmaputra River Dhubri Sadia. C. Krishna River Vijayawada Mukthyala. D. Mandovi River. Answer A. Ganga Bhagirathi Hooghly River. Question 34. Which High Court said that the right to speedy justice is a fundamental right? Options: A. Madhya Pradesh High Court. B. Delhi High Court. C. Madras High Court. D. Bombay High Court. Answer A. Madhya Pradesh High Court. Question 35. Which Asian country has launched a auction of 20 critical mineral blocks, including lithium and graphite? Options. A. Sri Lanka. B. Indonesia. C. India. D. Bangladesh. Answer C. India. Question 36. According to IQAir, the air quality of which city was the worst in the world, as of December 2023? Options. A. New Delhi. B. Lahore. C. Dhaka. D. Tokyo. Answer B. Lahore. Question 37. Lal Rinpui is the first ever woman cabinet minister of which state? Options. A. Chhattisgarh. B. Mizoram. C. Goa. D. Orissa. Answer B. Mizoram. Question 38. What is the name of the potato disease that has caused substantial damage to potato crops across various districts of Punjab? Options. A. Downy mildew. B. Late blight. C. Powdery mildew. D. Verticillium wilt. Answer B. Late blight. Question 39. Kachhi Kharek dates, which has recently received a geographical indication (GI) tag, belongs to which state? Options. A. Andhra Pradesh. B. Gujarat. C. Goa. D. Bihar. Answer B. Gujarat. Question 40. Which one of the following is the highest point of the Aravalli range? Options. A. Guru Shikhar. B. Jarol. C. Achalgarh. D. Gogana. Answer A. Guru Shikhar. Question 41. Aerial Delivery Research and Development Establishment ADRDE is a defense research laboratory under. Options. A. ISRO. B. DRDO. C. IISc Bengaluru. D. IIT Madras. Answer B. DRDO. Question 42. Anumula Rewant has been sworn in as the Chief Minister of which state? Options. A. Telangana. B. Chhattisgarh. C. Madhya Pradesh. D. Mizoram. Answer A. Telangana. Question 43. Mahua Moitra, who was expelled from the Lok Sabha, belongs to which political party? Options. A. Bharatiya Janata Party. B. Indian National Congress. C. Trinamool Congress. D. Samajwadi Party. Answer C. Trinamool Congress. Question 44. National Institute of Educational Planning and Administration is located in which city? Options. A. Pune. B. Varanasi. C. New Delhi. D. Mysuru. Answer C. New Delhi. Question 45. India recently celebrated its 50 years of diplomatic ties with which country in December 2023? Options. A. Ukraine. B. Thailand. C. Singapore. D. Republic of Korea. Answer D. Republic of Korea. Question 46. Who is the chairman of the 5 zonal councils of India? Options. A. President. B. Prime Minister. C. Home Minister. D. Finance Minister. Answer C. Home Minister. Question 47. At which place the Uttar Pradesh government has recently approved for the development of an artificial intelligence AI city? Options. A. Noida. B. Ghaziabad. C. Lucknow. D. Varanasi. Answer C. Lucknow. Question 48. Recently, India has signed an agreement with which country for the exploration and mining of lithium? Options. A. Australia. B. Russia. C. Iran. D. Argentina. Answer D. Argentina. Question 49. Where is Asia's largest civil aviation event, Wings India 2024, being held? Options. A. Hyderabad. B. Bombay. C. Lucknow. D. Kochi. Answer A. Hyderabad. Question 50. Recently, which 2 airports were awarded the Best Airport of the Year at the Wings India Awards 2024? Options. A. Lucknow or Chennai. B. Bengaluru or Delhi. C. Mumbai or Hyderabad. D. Delhi or Lucknow. Answer B. Bengaluru or Delhi. Thank you. Please subscribe for more GK videos.